Hello everyone, it's Kim with Vintage Vikings. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday the 13th or the 13th day of December. So we are on day 13 of our fabulous 24 days of stationery or advent calendar or countdown to Christmas, whatever you want to call them, whatever you call them at your house. So lots of controversy around these little boxes here. As many of you have seen, that these are knockoff boxes, they aren't the originals. So that's probably why these are less than what maybe we've seen online, but it's still fun. They're still fun. There's still something to do every day, a little excitement, and this one is actually becoming comical because of the things that are in it. If you haven't been to my channel before, take a look at the beginning. We're doing one envelope or packet a day until we get to Christmas Eve. So let's dig right in, and we're gonna again start with Francesca's, which is the gift one for me, which seems to be the better box so far. And today is the 13th, Friday the 13th. How lucky in December to get a Friday the 13th. Wonder if we're close to a full moon. I didn't even look. All right, let's take out 13. So we are getting close here. Well, we're halfway. Alrighty, well, this one's missing part of its foil, but that's okay. They're still fun. So let's see what's in here today. Well, I got a Merry Christmas. And I don't know what it is. It is a little, it's not a card because it doesn't open, because the Merry Christmas is this way. And it says, "We wish you a very Merry Christmas." So it's a little, I'll probably cut this and use this as a, why can't I pocket? Little pocket, it's a little shiny. The inside looks like it was supposed to have something in there because there's like a watermark or something, but who knows? So, and it looks like it sort of matches the theme of the box top. So, I will say I have sent out emails to both companies that I got these from just to let them know that they're not as full as we thought they were going to be, or have the things we thought they were going to. But I'm sure we won't hear from them, but still, never hurts to try, right? Alrighty, we'll put the 13th back in there. Alrighty. Close that one up, and let's go with Stephanie's. Alrighty. And I also am downloading a video of a junk journal that I finished, a Christmas one that just happened to go with the theme of the day, that if you guys would be interested, you can go take a look at it, and you'll see why I picked it for today to do a little flip through. So, alrighty, so today, today is 12. We're gonna go right here with the, okay, that's why it didn't make any noise. Well, that's pretty. A nice green, it looks like a satin ribbon. Probably a yard of it by looking at it. So kind of a, what do you call, lime green, shiny lime green. So that will go, just realized that the swan and the raven, or the whatever bird that is, are upside down. Alrighty, so we got a card. And we got some ribbon today. Usually the blue box is a little bit more productive than the white box, but today looks like our little ribbon was just a little bit better. So alrighty, so here you go. That was Stephanie's 24 days of stationery. Thanks for coming by every day and taking a look at what's in these boxes. It's kind of becoming a little bit comical now. Please leave me a message down in the comments below about what do you guys do as you're preparing to get ready for Christmas. What are your traditions? Do you use an advent calendar? Do you use a countdown for Christmas? What are you doing? And also, if you have a minute, if you give me a like and a subscribe, that would help a ton, because then you'll be notified for new videos coming out, and that would help me out a lot. Anyway, take a look at what I post a little bit later this evening. It's going to be a junk journal flip through with the theme of the day. And it's not the theme that you think. All right, guys. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and we will see you either later in another video or tomorrow. Bye.